Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious sugar cookie mug cake. This simple recipe requires just a few common pantry staples. You'll need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, unsalted butter, and 1 egg yolk. Don't forget baking powder, a touch of vanilla extract, and some fun sprinkles. A microwave-safe mug is also essential for this quick and easy treat. First, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter directly in your microwave-safe mug. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar until it's fully combined with the butter. Then, add 1 egg yolk and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing well. Finally, gradually incorporate 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder until a smooth batter forms. This ensures a perfectly blended base for your cake. Now for the fun part, gently fold in 1 tablespoon of colorful sprinkles into your batter. Make sure they are evenly distributed throughout the mixture for a festive look. Once your batter is ready, place the mug in the microwave. Cook it on high for 60 to 90 seconds. The exact time may vary, but you want the cake to be set around the edges, yet still slightly soft in the very center for the best texture. Once your sugar cookie mug cake is done, carefully remove it from the microwave. It will be hot, so let it cool for just a few minutes before you dig in. For an extra special treat, consider adding a few more sprinkles on top or a dollop of whipped cream. This delightful, single-serving dessert is absolutely perfect for satisfying a sweet craving quickly and easily. Enjoy every warm, delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.